Wow, I really feel like a badass in this eyeliner. The first look we're going to be creating is a neutral toned eye with a brown winged eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Almay Gel Smooth Liner in the shade Espresso. And I'm also going to be using the Almay Multi-Benefit Mascara in black. So this is the finished daytime look. I absolutely love it because it's so easy to create and using neutral shadows always looks good. All right, so now I'm ready to share with you guys how we can transition this into a nighttime look. I'm gonna be intensifying the shadow. And I'm gonna be going in with the gel liner in black as well. I'm gonna be applying just a little bit more mascara to my top lashes and also add some to my bottom lashes as well. You guys can really see how easy it was to transform from day to night with just a couple extra steps. Now let's talk liquid liner. I'm gonna be using the Almay Liquid Pen Liner in black, and the cool thing about this is that it has a unique ballpoint tip, so you can create anything from super natural to really dramatic looks. You really don't have to be scared about using liquid liner. The main thing is if you work in small, short strokes and connect them all together, you'll get a really nice, even line. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can make this look a little bit more dramatic, adding just a little bit more eyeliner, and it's gonna be perfect for whether you're going out with your friends or going on a date. I'm gonna finish the look off using a couple coats of the Almay Thickening Mascara. This mascara really builds beautifully on top of itself without getting clumpy, and it's gonna give you very voluminous, flirty lashes. Super flirty. You're gonna be amazed at how flirty they look. As you guys can see on my right eye, these lashes are so much more voluminous. They look really thick and flirty, whereas the lashes without mascara, you can't even really see them. I had so much fun filming this tutorial for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Almay's channel and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would try out wearing an eyeliner look as bold as this one. Bye!